Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Presiden ke Hill State People's Democratic Party ubak kipi pangyang ulasa ak Umdum hadian biki arngot ke MLA jangka parti ki bakentop ya umetho dios dakhar bat ubak Shakler Wajri klem da kenjok tian ki noilam jangka parti kila ja arngai ban lej a Jingkyrshan sop ya ke National People's Party ban thau ya ke sorkar ke bathamai pok jilla ha ke jinga keren biki lap thai ke bor ba pangyang ula pensisha begini ki arngot ki MLA jok Hspdp ha ke por men step kila don lang bat ha ke jinga lang ke belalong ha ke ying sa jong ba lak men remboi hala im khra shilong bat ongru ba ke parti kan sasyong jinga lang kerki kumnu ban shimrai persya kini ki arngot ki MLA ke parti ki belayaj hala ke jong kamon klem da kenshu iki kendon trikam jong ke parti.
It is too early to to say after the party has the opportunity to sit and to discuss about this matter, then we can say later on. But now we have no say at all what action can be taken against them. We met and we sit together and we have discussed that today will come today in this place in the residence of our former Home Minister to discuss the formation of the government. But I have nothing to say about what is the option or the decision that they have immediately taken by them only, not by the party. Say about that, because as I have mentioned that this morning they are with us only. Just now they gone wrong, so I have no say. I cannot say about that unless until we will find the fact why they are missing from this place and why they are going somewhere. So until unless we get the information from them or proper information, then I can say that. I can inform you that.
What will be your next course of action?
Say next course of action we cannot say until unless the meeting of the party will be discussed about this matter. Haba menin yuan baik yang tina ka konstitusi adin ban leyo ban yo ko vote. But nilai poin mediation ni tendai kata ka jinglei Jingkyrshan tasha no shino tingin ban jingtip ekong ko party. Later minimum step in court given one bangin don ke jinglang hang ni.
Maybe filing FIR against them.
No, as of now we have no decision how to deal with this situation. But first we will sit in the as the party meeting and then we will take a call what to do and
Are they in that other camp, BP camp?
I cannot say as of now because we are the whole day we are here with them only. But recently they found they have gone somewhere, so we have no say about that.
Did they inform you before leaving?
No, they did not inform us. That's why we are so surprising that they found that they have left this place without knowing by the party leaders. Em ya kata ngam padla pun ong ye ya ka jing ngau jungki balai beki ja nang ni bat balai ban bat chenu kinya lej ban ya long perlop te nagaliang jungi kum ka parti him pala ban ong ye na marba ni dang don hang ni ban ya shong pat ki ban ya perkhat bara kapor bakin don kini ki MLA bar khot jong kini ki pat ki parties te kilalap ba jano te ni himla ban ong ye du menta hadu kena kapor bangin don hang ni baru sisi himla ban ong ye te ngi ong bangin tip kamatan ndang ilawat jing tip daka parti hingin ya shong perkhat bagin wat jing tip sinu ki don balik ki ja